Hello friends, you are welcome to this presentation. Here is Protek company detailing software. In this video, you will be learning how to purchase this software at 35% discount. After which, you will also learn how to have this software installed in your PC or desktop and have it works effectively. Then we'll proceed to explain the difference between the template used after you must have done with your design in Protastructure and the template used after you must have done with your design in Structure, Tekla structure, and Start Pro. We will proceed to learn other important features that this software has. So at first, let us proceed to how you can purchase this software at 35% discount successfully. If you head over to our channel, Soft Reason, so come over here, so here is our channel. And so once you are here, if maybe you have not subscribed to the channel, I want to ask you to please subscribe to the channel successfully. Thank you for subscribing. Head over to the video tab right there. So in this video tab, you can navigate down to see all the video we have right on this channel successfully. Very useful this video. Here is the template. You just click on the template right there. Okay, so once you click on the template, you can come down to the descriptions of the template. You can see link 1 to get Protek company detailing software. Okay, so you click on this this link right there, and this will open another tab for you where it will direct you to purchase this software at 35% discount successfully. As you can see the price now, the company actually brought the price down, okay, because they are doing a promo period. Okay, so you can actually bought this at purchase this at 1,500 Nigerian naira. Okay, if maybe your country is not Nigeria, or you want to purchase in your local currency, come over to where you have NGN options. Click right there in the small drop down arrow to have the list of currencies. Okay, so you can pay even in US dollar, GBP, Ghanaian, Kenyans, okay, Tanzania, and the rest of your local currency successfully. All right. So after you must have purchased or select your country, you come over here and click on buy now. Okay, which will now take you to where you can successfully purchase this software. Okay, so after you are done, we will now have to proceed to how you can have it installed in your device, be it laptop or desktop successfully. Let us make progress. So after your purchase, you have the software downloaded successfully, and then it is in a zip format just like this. So you have to now extract it. You just have to select on it once, right click, and then click on extract here. Okay, you see it extracts straight away. There is no password, nothing. So you can now see now you have it in a folder. So if you double click on this folder, you can see series of software and auxiliary files and the application itself. Now get back to this particular folder now, Protek detailing template 2024 release 7.0.336 right there. Select it, right click on it. Okay, right click on it and copy it. Take it all the way from this particular directory to the document. If you can see the document here, just click on it right there in this document. The document, just have to right click and then paste it. Okay, so once you paste it, you can see it will be actually a paste successfully. So you can see it. I have it already. That is why it's requesting for replacement. All right, so I really want to continue. I'll just have to close it right there so you can now see it here. Okay, so having it in your document just like this, double click on it, and then you can see all the auxiliary files and the application itself. Double click on the applications. Okay, you can see series of auxiliary file and support file to this software. So here is the main raw file of this software. So just have to right click on it and then get to where you see send to options, and then get all the way to desktop, and then send it straight away to the desktop successfully. So once you send it to the desktop, you will now have it on your desktop just like this. Okay, so you can now see it here on your desktop. This is it on your desktop, this one. Okay, so once you double click on this, now the software will open straight away just like this. So you can just have it, the link, you can just have the link to purchase it in the description of this video that you are watching right away. Okay, So we are done with how to purchase this software at a 35% discount successfully. Now I want to throw more light on this template. Just as I said earlier, you can see it all depends on the type of foundations you are building your structure. So these are standard structural drawings in a template format, customized to fast track your drawings that you generated from your result of analysis. Okay, from your result of analysis and design in Protastructure for all of these ones. All right, then this one is for robot structure, this is for Tekla structure, and for Start Pro. These templates that are in this software will actually help you to fast track your drawing experience, to get your drawing done successfully, okay, arrange successfully, and then send it out to your clients, okay, or to the site for construction. So if you want to use any of this template, like for instance, I want to use a template for a building on floating raft foundation. So you can just click on it once. So once you click on that, it's going to boot up and to automatically launch AutoCAD with this standard detailed drawing. So as you can see here, this is a drawing built on floating raft foundation. So if you wouldn't know what is floating raft foundation was, to get its template, you will actually see these drawings and it is self-explanatory successfully. So now you can see all the details of these drawings and the way these drawings are being arranged and detailed, arranged in a title block. Okay, so you can see the company name right here, Protek, engineering company limited, successfully. All right, so haven't gotten this successfully. If you want to also open your drawings for building on the pad footing, you can just click on it once, and this will actually automatically open the drawings, okay, in AutoCAD. This software template works successfully in all AutoCAD versions. Okay, so it does not segregate which of the AutoCAD versions, any version 2007, version 2010, 2022, 24. This software template works effectively with it, and this is a customized template successfully. Okay, so having explained this to you, I will be explaining the difference between the template used after Protastructure designs detailed drawings and the one used after robot structure designs detailed drawing. For instance, I click on this robot structure right now, it will come up, all right, just like this, and then we have these drawings. Okay, so if you zoom closely, you can look at the robot structure detailed drawings, the way it's being arranged, to tell you the differences between this template. So check this particular template very well for robot structure, and you can see the path footing, the way the drawings is being presented, as well as the reinforced concrete columns right here. Okay, you can now see. Now if you click in these provisions, we have opened some templates for path footing, this one. So click that now, zoom closely, you can see this path footing, how it's being represented. Okay, so you can now see that these templates are not the same. Okay, so robot structure template different from product structure template. Okay, so you have to use them accordingly to be able to achieve your desired result. So you can see the column presentations of of product structure template. All right, now if you come over to these provisions, and then you can now be able to open the template for robot structure, which is this one. Open it, zoom closely to the columns presentations. You can see the detailed drawings of the reinforced concrete columns, okay, as it connects from foundations to the roof level of the structure, and then the foundations as well, footings, pad footings, detailed drawing. You can see how it's being represented. So with this, you are now saying that this template differs, and they are all customized to fast track your editing experience after you must have done with your design drawings, okay, with any of these software successfully. So I haven't gotten that right. We proceed to explain other features of this template. Okay, over here you can see we have free course here. Okay, this free course will always update it for you just for free. Okay, so this is one of the benefits you have in getting this template. So just right away in the description of this video, click on that link to purchase it now that we are having a discount of 35%. All right, so once you click on this course right here, this will actually opens you a course that you may not find it free on Soft Reading channel. Okay, so this is a course that after getting this template, you have it free, and then you can be able to learn a lot from here. As time goes on, this particular site where you get this course now is always updated. So you can see here is the first video. If you come down, see the second video, you go down, see the third video, and the rest of that. Okay, so this site is updated. It's always updated with these courses just for you. Okay, to keep you busy and keep you learning new things about these softwares successfully. So right away, you can get the link in the description of this video to get this software template successfully. Okay, so other features are like the Pi design report. Like you are done with your Pi foundation design and then you want to arrange and organize your reports, you can just come to this Pi design report and click once. Once you click that, it will take you to a detailed Pi design report. Okay, so you can now see Pi foundation, structural design calculations, 7 floors or 10 building project. Okay, so here is how the design report is being arranged. As you can see, okay, over here, design parameters. So here you now have the client, the locations, intended use of the structure, commercial, relevant codes of practice used for this design. Okay, service working load for the Pi ultimate comparison, loading, and the rest of other Pi loading and foundation type. Okay, so you come over down, you can now see the details, Pi reinforcement designs, calculations right here. So you can now see how it looks and how you can be able to arrange this successfully. Okay, so this is for Pi design. You can reference this to arrange your Pi design. Okay, so over here you can see part design report. Okay, this is for part 14. So if you click right there, you can actually have a detailed arrangement of part 14's design report successfully. So this is structural design calculations. Okay, proposed development. Okay, so you can now see, all right, design data right there. You can see all of the design data that was used for that design successfully. So you can have access to all of this, and then the structural drawings, general notes should also be in your report. Okay, so after which you now get to the first floor beams calculation. So if you scroll down, you can be able to go through all of this just for free after getting this template successfully. All right, so over here, if you are new in Protastructure and you want to learn a kind of video that explains Protastructure, you just click on this video, click on Protastructure tab right here, and this will open to you a video that actually explains Protastructure. Okay? So the same thing applicable to Tekla structure. If you click on Tekla structure tab, it will open a video that will get you started very detailed, okay, in Tekla structure, Revit structure, as well as Start Pro successfully. So this tab are also another feature that you will have to enjoy while and after getting this software that consists of this template successfully. So check down in the description of this video and then click on the link to purchase this template right away. If you want to contact us, you can just click on this contact. Okay, so we are helping this company to market these templates. Okay, so you can just click here and then this will take you to Telegram page. Okay, where you can just send us message right here straight away, and then you get a reply. Okay, so this is how this template actually works effectively, and how you can purchase it at 35% discount successfully. At the upper right corner of this window, you see a link here. Okay, just click on it. That link will take you to how you can make use of the template we have in software successfully, and then subsequently we'll be using it to carry out our drawings editing. Okay, so you just have to get it ready so you flow alongside as we make progress. Okay, also we have an ongoing mentorship monthly subscriptions class. Okay, so you can as well join the class successfully, and then we'll make progress to teach you some tricks and technicality on how to carry out your design successfully. Also, you will learn a modeling tricks just like this. Okay, so all of this will be actually covered in the mentorship class. Just subscribe and then stay connected as we make progress. Okay, join our fellow students to enjoy this amazing offer that we are giving out. Okay, so see you there. We will stop here, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, and stay connected for more useful presentations, okay, that we will be publishing on our YouTube channel successfully. Stay safe and God bless you. Bye bye.